Another premium space-age vehicle spotted here at Erewhon DIY Art Chess. Legalize it. 50 book wall. Just working on there, Green Cloud.
We got some weed art.
Working on some hardcore legalization, huh?
Yep.
You guys are pretty extremist about your legalization. I like it. The natives would say, what's a law, huh? This is a plant. What's a law? Wow, look at that, folks. Wow, the golden latte?
Golden latte.
Wow, here at Erewhon, that's powerful. Well done, well done. Ceremonial grade, if I've ever seen it. Yeah. To the gods, to Nipsey. Wow. All bikers. Keep it over. Take it smart. Get down. Get down, get down. Only way to do it. Hatred alien vibes here. Keep it up. Oh yeah, we're using these paint sticks. These are fun. Put up some hard into it. Loop check on the scene.